In this video, I want to show you a really cool AI chatbot widget, which I developed myself. So I wanted to have a chatbot widget where I can include my own database, or a chatbot widget which is able to index my sites, to index all the products, and to index all the informations on the website. And due to my research, I could not find any good chatbot widget, and this is why I created my own chatbot widget where I can include my own knowledge base, and AI chatbot widget is able to index the site and so on. And this is what I want to show you in the video. So here you can see I'm right now on a test website, and let's go to the dashboard, and then let's go to plugins and let's install this. I will show you everything. So then add new plugin, upload plugin, then let me grab the zip file, let me upload this. Okay, activate the plugin. And now you can see here on the left side, we have the new icon here, AI chatbot. When I click here, then you can see we have some different options here. So first of all, of course, we have to add our own OpenAI API key. So we are using here OpenAI. So let me grab the API key real quick. Okay, let me paste this in. So then I will click on Save API key. Okay, now you can see save. Let's test the connection. Or let's test the connection. You can see now you can see the API key is valid. You can see everything is good. It's saved. Now here you can see we have different AI models that we can choose from. We have here GPT 4.1 mini. This is more than enough. You can also choose two other models here, or you can paste in your own model that you want to use. Then embedding models you can choose, or you can paste your own, but this is good. Then here you can see you can use this on different for different languages. You can see we have here English, German, Spanish, French, Italian. So if you have a German website or a Spanish website, then you simply click here on German or Spanish, then you save, and then the AI chatbot on the front end on the front end will answer in the specific language. But let's leave this on English for now. Here you can see you can set everything up. So the welcome message, you can customize the system prompt, memory turns, so you don't have to change anything. And this is really important here, safety limits and the guardrails. So if you I recommend that you enable this. Then here you can enable this, and then you paste in different keywords that you want to exclude. So if those specific keywords are detected, then the IP address is blocked from your website or blocked from using this chatbot. You can customize the text, and then you can also, this is also important that you activate this, that you have specific guardrails in place. Then let's click here on save. But first I want to show you how this looks on the front end, on the website itself. Let me go here, let me refresh this. Oh, I think you cannot see this because I'm in front of this. And then let's go here, and then let's go to widget design. So this is the next page where you set up all the design, the layout stuff of this widget, of this chatbot. Here you can see enable widget, enable floating widget. You can enable this, disable this. If you want, you can embed it via shortcode if you want. And what I want to do now is change the position. And also here you can see floating widget start mode in collapsed or expanded. The launch text you can customize, but first let's go to bottom left. Let me go here, let me save this, and then let's go to the front end. And now you can see, now it's on the side where you can see this. Here you can see we have We have an icon. We can change the image of the icon. We can change, of course, the text. And when we click here, then we can expand this. Now you can see we have the name, support team. We have a welcome message inside this chatbot. Hi, how can I help you today? And everything is fully customizable from the back end of the plugin. And this is what the really cool here. Then let's go here. Let me show you this, what we can do here. Like I said, floating widget start mode, the launch text. You can customize the position, the width and the height. Then the text and the labels. So you can customize everything. You can customize the send button text. And also the styling, primary color, accent color, text color. You can see the launch icon. The launch icon is this icon here. You can choose an icon, an image, or icon or an image, or even what else? The initials, the icon. Custom image. You can upload a custom image if you want. Simply click here, choose choose an image. I already did so. Or you can select or specify an icon, an emoji. You can see the preview. Let's click on save. So, and now the interesting part of everything is the knowledge base. So here in the knowledge base, you can set up, set up if you want to use a TXT file, for example. If you want the bot, the AI bot, to index, to scrape your website, your whole website, your whole WooCommerce store, all the product, and this is very important, especially if you have an online store. And when you have an online store and then a customer comes to your website, has specific questions about a specific product or a specific category, then you can see here we can activate this option that the AI bot should scrape also or index also all our WooCommerce products and categories. And then the chatbot knows exactly what we are offering, the details of our products, the pricing of our products. Or you can, of course, upload your own TXT file. In this example, on this test page, I uploaded a TXT file. Let me show you the TXT file. So here you can see this is only for demo. I copied and pasted in here of an organic food store. Simple TXT file with very little content inside. Then I uploaded this here. Then also you can activate the re-indexing function if you want. So if you have a website or an e-commerce store where you publish content all the time, so that the AI chatbot is always up to date, knows exactly what's going on your website, which new products are on your website, so you can enable or disable this if you don't want this. And also posts, you can index posts or exclude this. Then let me click here on Save Settings. Let's go back to the knowledge base. And then here you have these buttons. You can manually run the full index of the complete website, all pages, all sub-pages. You can manually start the indexing of the WP content, start the index of your WooCommerce products and categories, or in this case, I uploaded the knowledge base as a TXT file. Then you can see here, then simply click here if you want to have this as a TXT file. And then this is of course really quick because because this knowledge base TXT file, there's so little content in here. The indexing process is very fast. This is the job number 2. I already did this, I already tested this. And yeah, so then the next thing here is, the next cool thing is that you have an analytics dashboard. So let me go here, and here you can see, you can choose the specific time frame where you want to track this, or you can also activate this function. So then when somebody, a customer, website visitors interact with your chatbot, with this chatbot, all the whole chat will get documented, and you can index this, you can activate this, save the settings, or you can purge this if you want to. You can activate this, not recommended. And then here you can see the requests made, the unique sessions, if there are any errors with chat widget, with the chatbot, the latency, the speed, and you can export this, of course. And then let's go to the front end real quick. Let me refresh this. Let's type in a question, for example, what kind of products are you selling? Let's ask the question. So here you can see we sell a wide range of organic and natural products, including certified organic fruit, and so on and so on. And let's ask another question. Where are you located? Then let's hope I include this in the knowledge base. Yeah, I include the knowledge base. You can see our store is located in North London. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see everything is working. You can fully customize this. You can customize every text you want. You can customize the color, the appearance, the layout, the design. And yeah, I think this is a really cool chatbot because yeah, all this functionality, and especially, of course, the knowledge base. So I could not find any other chatbot that can do this. The knowledge base thingy here with the TXT file, and also indexing your whole website, all the WooCommerce products, and this is yeah, really cool. So yeah, I think that's it for the video. So, and if you want to have this plugin, you will find the link to this plugin in the video description down below. There is the link and everything you need. So that's it for the video. If you found the video informative, if you like the video, then yeah, I would appreciate if you press the thumbs up button on the video. And also, yeah, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will do more videos about AI, chatbots, WordPress, web design, and all the good stuff. So then, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.